How to fix troublesome Among Us server issues. Here are some case studies that would allow you to fix troublesome Among Us server issues. Case study 1. Reliable packet, with a certain size and number of milliseconds. Try and change to the server region by choosing the globe icon on the bottom of the screen. Note, you would face gaming lag. Case study 2. Could not send data as a socket exception occurred, network is unreachable. Forcibly disconnected because, reliable pack without response and sent pings that remote has not responded to. Try playing the Among Us app on a strong and stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection instead.